Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm trying something a little bit different. I walked around some of these trails up here. I'm actually in the backwaters of a reservoir that I live near, and was walking some of these trails, exploring places, but also collecting these noisy you-know-whats. Yeah, I got a bunch of cicadas. There's things happening out here. I was here a couple days ago and saw just a huge bluegill right down in there. So my plan today is to try to throw some of these cicadas out, try to catch a big panfish, maybe something else. Come along with me. Let's do it. Wow, it is super hot. It's the 4th of June. There are storms and a bunch of rain coming, supposedly. They've been kind of accurate recently with the forecasting, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So right here I have a 1/32 ounce jig head. I'm gonna try to grab one of these guys. I also have a grasshopper in there too, but see what we can grab first. All right, we got a cicada here first. I got one crawling on me. There we go. So yeah, we're just gonna put it through here like we would a grasshopper, like right behind the head there, and we'll just throw it down like that and see if anything bites it. Let's hope that there's a big bluegill or something down here. It'd be awesome. Right away. Little green sunfish got it first though. Yep, and he got it. Well, it's out there. Something might grab it. All right, let's grab another one here. That was pretty quick. That's not the species I want, but okay. All right, let's throw it out here a little bit, maybe away from the rocks. Maybe the bluegills are kind of out next to this wood here. Just let it get down. Well, there's another green sunfish. I guess we'll take that. Oh, there goes the... It's probably the same one. Yeah, it's another green sunfish. I mean, that's kind of cool. Maybe we should keep a green sunfish and throw that out there. And he ripped the head right off of there. That is insane. Oh, we got something else. Oh, catfish. Little tiny catfish. All right. Well, dang. What's up, bud? He's gonna get me. Don't do it. There we go. Well, guess these things catch everything. There we go. Yeah, just a little channel. It's probably gonna get me. All right, there's 2 species now, and I am down to 1 more cicada and 1 grasshopper, and then I may go find some more, or we'll try some plastics too. We'll just see how it goes here. But 2 species now. Let's see if there's anything else. There's another green sunfish. Actually, oh, we got a bluegill. There's the 3rd species there. That is not the size I want, but it's getting kind of close. Good to see that there is a bluegill down there that wanted it. Cool. Species number 3 on the cicada. Alright, I got some panfish assassin lures here. Not sure the color. Kind of looks like a Cajun cricket. like Bobby Garland would make, but it's a little bit different here. We'll see if we can get some fish on some artificials before I decide to go looking for more live bait. But yeah, let's try swimming this through here, see if anything wants it. There's another fish there. Well, I got an even smaller green sunfish. Maybe that would have been better for bait. Yeah, maybe not right now. Yeah, there's another fish. Yeah, there was another one. Another green sunfish. So those guys are all over the place right here. Man, I was hoping to find some bluegill right here. I'm not seeing them particularly. Yeah, looks like another green sunfish playing with it down there. Yeah, that one looked decent though. That one was big. Man, they are pretty here though. Love those colors. Well, we're having pretty good luck with this little crappie panfish bait thing. About as much luck as we did with the actual cicadas, so good sign. I mean, we'll keep looking around here before any storms might pop up. Still looking for a big bluegill though. I think there are just tons of green sunfish right here. Just tons of them. Yeah, another green sunfish. Another pretty one. Man, it would be nice to catch something big. I don't know what that was. That sounded like something big in the water over there. Maybe even like a pike or a muskie. Still hearing it. Maybe it's a deer or something. There's another green sunfish though. They are everywhere. Yeah, there's a deer right over there. Yeah, there's another something. There's a bluegill. Nice. Alright, well, there's the second bluegill. That is the species I am looking for, honestly, but I'm looking for something a little bit bigger here. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but there we go. Nice. Yeah, another green sunfish. Alright, further out we go. Ooh, that's a bigger one. Oh, wow. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting to a better size here. That might be a hybrid, actually. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. I think that's a hybrid bluegill. That's very pretty. Maybe even a hybrid red ear or something there. I don't know. Not terribly familiar with these guys, but I'm almost positive it's a hybrid of some sort. Yeah, he's got that green sunfish mouth, but a nice one. I'm gonna go right back under this log here. That's where I think a lot of these fish are. Kind of chilling down in here. Well, there's another green sunfish. So I mean, we're definitely getting some numbers today. They're not very big, and they're a lot of them not the species I want. Come on, get out. Well, there's another one. Got him. Let's just throw this guy out here and see if anything gets him. Oh no, there was something there. I don't know what it was. Either a bluegill or a green sunfish, it felt like. Yep, green sunfish. Plenty of those guys around. And he did get the cicada off. See, there's the cicada right out there. Darn. Here, go get it. Yeah. Alright, well, I think that'll be my last fish. It's been a little bit of time since I've caught one. Maybe like almost 10 minutes, so. And it looks like there's some rain coming, so I'm gonna take off here. It was a good day. Good day for those guys. Well, I'm gonna take off. There are some darker clouds coming up behind me, and maybe like 20 minutes away there's some rain coming, so I'd like to beat that. On my way back to the car, I am gonna get some more cicadas. Probably come out to another place tomorrow morning or maybe even later tonight. And try to catch some more fish. That was really fun. There's tons of them around, as you can hear. So, hey, it's something fun to try, something new. It's a good time. So, thanks for coming along with me, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.